Hey, didn't see you there. But now that you're here, glad you stopped on by because we'll be doing this year's 2022 Winter LibCrate from Lafayette Public Library. On November 28th, we will be opening up registrations online through LibCal, where you would normally register for any of our other programs, and distribution will begin on December 12th. To sign up, you just go online, enter your information, and then on the 12th, we will contact you to let you know that it is available at your designated branch. But what do you do after the 12th once you get your box? So, read the book, have your snack, do your craft, have fun. So, like I said before, this season's LibCrate is going to be novels in verse. If you're not familiar, that means all of our novels this year are going to be books that were written with a poetry aspect to them. Some of our famous authors that you might recognize that from are like Ellen Hopkins, Kwame Alexander, but we've included a few others that you might not be so familiar with. Let's go over what's in the box in our unboxing video. So we have our contents list to start. Our patrons who have done this before know that you get a library book, our newsletter, the curated Spotify playlist, further reading recommendations, a craft, a snack, and some kind of fun swag. This season's craft is going to be magnetic poetry and blackout poetry. Our snack will be tea, honey, and cookies, and our swag will be an earth gel pack for when you get a little too stressed. So let's dive on in. So first we have one of our books. This book is Swing by Kwame Alexander, who was a author that actually visited us a couple years ago for LRT. This will come in handy later when we go over a little bit more of this. So Swing, as said before, is a novel in verse. So while it may look a little bit more intimidating, it's actually a fairly fun and easy read. So did you enjoy the novel after you read it? We have other reading recommendations on this handy dandy bookmark. Authors that our librarians have read and they enjoy. Want to know who else we recommend and enjoy? Ellen Hopkins, who is actually going to be this year's Lafayette Reads Together author of choice. Her book Closer to Nowhere is going to be featured as our LRT exclusive, and you can pick up a copy at any of our branches in the months of January through March. So what else do we have in here? Our other and my personal favorite bookmark, the Spotify playlist bookmark. This season's playlist is This is a Poem. Music is the Poetry of the Air by Jean-Paul Richter. And on the back, you have your Scan Me code that'll link you directly to our Spotify playlist that was curated by your teen librarians. Now, for the good stuff. Our first craft is magnetic poetry. You've got your instruction sheet and then everything you need to make your own magnetic poetry at home. We've got a series of words, verbs, adjectives, all of those fun things, and a magnetic sheet for you to decorate on your own. So once you've decorated and cut it out, you can make your own poetry on your fridges, lockers, any magnetic surface. We used paint and alcohol ink to make a dreamy effect. Ooh, ah. But you can do whatever you want. You can go the complete opposite direction like we did on our blackout poetry that we went a little bit more angsty on. It's got the instructions. You're going to get a book page, and then you get to black out whatever you don't want, and whatever is left is your poem. As you can see, this vibe is a little bit different than this vibe, and that's okay, because poetry, it's about how you feel it in those moments. So of this full page, you can get amazing poems such as Help is strange. I know power. It's massive and extravagant, especially the size of my fist. It's important. I know nobody. But wait, there's more. You too can have your very own cozy tea time with our Tazo chai, organic chai, a honey stick, and 2 Biscoff cookies, which are my favorite. They taste really good with peanut butter on them. So what else do we have in here? Our gel pack. This is actually a hot-cold pack. So do you need something a little warm? You can throw it in the microwave. It's actually got the instructions on the back. Microwave for 10 seconds at a time, and it'll warm it up. Don't go crazy. It will explode. You can also throw it in the freezer. That you don't have to time. It won't do anything crazy in the freezer. Of course, last but not least, we have your Lafayette Public Library Book Talk. Are you curious what else we're doing this time of year? Come check out any of our awesome programs we have going on. Some of them are registration, so when you sign up for your LibCrate, don't forget to sign up for some of these programs that you might also enjoy. This also has programs for, moms, dads, baby brothers, and baby sisters, aunts, uncles, grandparents. Everybody can find something fun to do at Lafayette Public Library. Like what you see? Remember, registration starts on November 28th and pickup starts on December 12th. If you have questions and comments, you can call our main library at 337-261-5778 with any questions you might have. And if you need more information about LibCrate in general, you can visit LafayettePublicLibrary.org/LibCrate, and it'll tell you anything else that this video might not have covered. So, want to do your own unboxing? Upload it and tag us at #LaughPubLib or tag our Instagram at LaughPubLibrary. And we want to hear from you. We want to see, are you really enjoying these boxes? Because we think they're pretty awesome, and we want to know what you think. Thanks for watching another LibCrate unboxing. We hope to see you real soon. Bye, guys.